Look up right now. Imagine your sky turning blood red, swirling with violet and gold. Then, a massive glowing disk appears, not the moon, but Sagittarius A star, the 4 million solar mass black hole at our galaxy's center. And we're falling straight into it. Drop your city in the comments and watch till the end, because what happens next will shatter everything you think you know about our place in the universe. Sagittarius A star sits 26,000 light-years away at the Milky Way's core. Right now, we're safe. But here's what NASA quietly published in 2019. They detected a rogue black hole traveling at 3 million miles per hour through our galaxy. They tracked it, ran calculations, then went silent. What if something, a dark matter stream, a gravitational anomaly, knocks our solar system off course? We'd start drifting inward, slowly at first, then accelerating. And by the time we realized it was happening, we'd have maybe a few thousand years to evacuate 8 billion people. Spoiler: we only invented flight 120 years ago. We're not ready. Let me show you exactly what would happen. Distance from galactic center, 5,000 light-years. One night people notice the sky looks different. More stars, thousands more. Nebulae, clouds of ionized gas invisible to the naked eye, suddenly glow in brilliant colors across the heavens. It's beautiful. National Geographic runs cover stories. Tourism boards celebrate the new night sky. But astrophysicists aren't celebrating. That stellar density means supernovae. Lots of them. Right now, a supernova occurs within dangerous range once every 50 million years. In the inner galaxy, once every few centuries. When a star explodes within 30 light-years, its gamma radiation strips Earth's ozone layer like acid-dissolving paper. In 2008, scientists found evidence of a mass extinction 740 million years ago that killed 90% of ocean life. The cause: a supernova 60 light-years away. The gamma rays collapsed our ozone. UV radiation poured down. The oceans turned into dead zones. It took 20 million years for life to recover. Now imagine that happening repeatedly as we drift deeper. First, supernova wipes out the ozone. Second, hits before recovery. Third, sterilizes the upper ocean. By the fourth, Earth's surface is lethal within hours. And we're still thousands of light-years from real danger. Here's the secret: NASA won't publicize the generation ships won't work. They ran the numbers. Accelerating even 1% of humanity to escape velocity from the galactic gravity well requires more energy than exists in all Earth's fossil fuels combined. The only option: send a few thousand people carefully selected and abandon everyone else. It's Sophie's choice on a planetary scale, and the people choosing who goes, they put themselves on the ships first. Distance from galactic center, 1,000 light-years. Welcome to the galactic center radiation zone. Imagine standing in front of an X-ray machine that never turns off, is solar system sized, and there's nowhere to hide. The radiation comes from everywhere. Pulsars spinning 1,000 times per second. Quasars shining brighter than a trillion suns. Gamma-ray bursts releasing more energy in 10 seconds than our sun produces in its entire lifetime. Life underground becomes mandatory. Every city burrows deep into bedrock. The surface isn't immediately fatal. You could walk outside for a few hours, but cancer becomes inevitable. By age 30, 90% of humans have tumors. Average lifespan drops to 45 years. A young astronomer named Elena monitors the sky from a lead-shielded observatory. She's calculating evacuation probabilities like her mother and grandmother before her. Each generation the numbers get worse. She writes, "The universe doesn't hate us. That would imply it cares. We're just in the wrong place at the wrong time." Distance from galactic center, 100 light-years. Space itself starts warping. Sagittarius A star's gravity doesn't just pull matter, it bends space-time's geometry. Our solar system's 4.6 billion-year stable orbits suddenly destabilize. Earth's orbit becomes erratic. Some years last 200 days. Others 600. Seasons vanish. Agriculture collapses. Mars drifts outward, Venus inward, and Earth's orbit begins intersecting Venus's path. The collision is predicted 30 years in advance. Date April 7th, 3212. Time 11:43 a.m. GMT. There's nothing anyone can do. When two planet-sized objects collide, they don't just crash, they partially merge. The kinetic energy converts to heat instantly. Both crusts vaporize. The collision creates a massive debris field. The shockwave liquefies Earth's mantle. The surface breaks into continent-sized fragments that melt as they tumble through space. Every city, every person who couldn't evacuate. Gone in 47 minutes. And the black hole hasn't even touched us yet. Here's what keeps me awake. Everything I just described is happening right now to something somewhere in our galaxy. Actually happening, not hypothetically. Sagittarius A star consumes roughly 1 Earth mass every few hundred years. Some is gas and dust, but some is planets. Planets that might have had oceans, life, civilizations calculating their survival odds and realizing they had none. Distance from galactic center, 1 light-year. The black hole actively feeds. Torn-apart stars and planet fragments spiral inward at near-light speed, forming an accretion disk, a swirling maelstrom of superheated plasma, brighter than 1,000,000 galaxies. If anyone survived on an Earth fragment this far, here's what they'd see. The black hole itself remains invisible. But surrounding it, a ring of light brighter than anything imaginable covers half the sky. The radiation has actual visible color from gamma rays downshifting through the extreme gravitational field. Space is visibly warped. Stars appear in impossible positions, light bent around the event horizon. You could see the back of your own headlight having orbited the black hole. Then tidal forces begin. Imagine standing on a 10-mile rock fragment, last piece of Earth. You wear a spacesuit. Against all odds, you're still conscious, still witnessing. You look at your feet, then at the black hole. Your feet are 6 feet closer to it than your head. That 6-foot difference means your feet experience stronger gravity. First uncomfortable, like someone pulling your legs while pushing your head. Then painful. Spine stretches. Joints separate. Then destructive. Your body elongates. Scientists call this spaghettification. You're literally stretched into a long, thin strand. You lose consciousness quickly. Blood drains from your brain. Probably a mercy. Your body continues falling past the event horizon into a region where time and space switch places, where the physics breaks down, where the equations produce infinities. Beyond that point, the universe stops making sense. Now, here's what matters. We're still discovering objects in our solar system. Planet 9 was found recently. We're still mapping the Kuiper Belt, still identifying civilization-ending asteroids. What else haven't we detected? What massive gravitational disturbance might be heading our way right now? That 2019 rogue black hole traveling at 3 million miles per hour. They lost track of it. It's out there somewhere in the dark between stars. The probability of it hitting us is effectively 0. But it's not actually 0. Right now, you're alive on a planet orbiting a stable star in a safe galactic neighborhood. Temperature survivable, radiation low, gravity comfortable, magnetic field protective, ozone shielding, moon stabilizing, Jupiter deflecting asteroids. You won the cosmic lottery with odds so astronomical they're barely calculable. And every single protection can end, not in billions of years, not eventually. Gamma-ray bursts rogue black holes nearby supernovae. These could sterilize Earth within decades. We exist in a bubble of safety, so fragile, so improbable, so temporary, that the only rational response is awe mixed with terror. So tonight, go outside. Look up. Find the Milky Way if your sky is dark enough. That band of light is your galaxy, your home. And at its center sits the ultimate predator, 4 million solar masses of collapsed space-time, eating stars, bending light, destroying worlds. The only reason you're alive to see it is distance. For now. If this changed how you see the stars, hit subscribe. The universe has 1,000 ways to end a world, and I'm cataloging every one. Drop a comment. What scares you more, dying instantly, like the Venus collision, or slowly watching the sky turn hostile over generations, because both are on the table? Your move, universe. And remember, every breath you take exists because of luck. Don't waste it.